Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Woman Decides to Fight After Being Trespassed. Let's get into the video, man.
She thought she could escape after hitting the Walmart manager.
All right. All right, so listen. Do you got a name on you?
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I'm Officer Hillsman. That's my name.
Oh, well, thank you. Oh, nice
All right.
to meet you.
Well, that's fantastic.
Yeah,
So you are being
Hey, check
trespassed.
this out. I'm trying to get my Google fixed.
All right, let's go.
And these people are on my house.
Come on.
Yeah,
You're trespassed from the
fixed.
property.
Yeah, isn't that
Yeah.
funny? Isn't that funny? No, seriously. This is the weird thing that's happening to me right now.
So you're being
No, and
trespassed
please
from the property.
trust me. Take
You
this
cannot
and
return
put this
for a
on Google.
year.
Because I
And
was
if you
trying
don't
to
leave
get
the
my
premises
Google
now,
fixed.
you are placed
By
under
straight
arrest.
talk. I
Let's
was
go.
trying to get my
Let's
Google
go.
fixed. By straight talk.
Okay,
Let's
let me ask
go.
you something. Do you understand what trespass is?
I did not trespass.
Okay, but you're
They
being
can
trespassed
trespass
now.
anybody they want to,
Okay.
and that's what they're doing.
And I'm walking outside the building.
And
Let's
if
go.
you don't, you'll be in
And I
silver
am.
cup.
Let's go.
Sir.
Oh, they're black.
I am walking my ass out
They're
here.
black.
But,
Oh, they're black? My
hey, yeah,
son.
but.
I got Apex double wide.
Hey.
You should get some.
Yeah. But get this.
All right, let's
I
go.
am been one that has somehow
Ma'am,
or
you are
another
trespassed
been
from the
cookied
premises.
up with my Googles for every times that I'm trying. And
If you do
straight
not
talk,
leave,
straight
you'll be
talk,
subject
and
to
if you
arrest.
would stop. Oh,
Okay,
I love
let's
your
go.
eyebrows.
All right, let's talk about my eyebrows outside. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, I know, right? That's what it's on to.
Really? Like we can talk to you. Yeah, let's go for that one.
Yes, 32.
Let's go for that one.
All right, come on.
Let's go for that one.
10-4.
That guy is probably a cop. It's probably his day off. Because when she first came up, he looked at the officer. He was like, she talking to the wrong one. Yo, it's probably his day off or something. But yeah.
Yeah, that's the best one to go for.
Yes, ma'am. Let's go.
Really? We're going to
Of
go for that
course.
one?
Let's go.
Honey,
So I am trespassing you.
no.
So if you would stop talking and listen.
I have been trying to figure out
Let's
what
go.
is happening with my Googles.
All right, let's go out the door.
No, they go that way. My
Okay.
Googles. I've been
Come
trying
on.
to tell everybody.
We can walk and talk. We can walk and talk.
all right.
Let's go.
Here, have all these. Have everyone.
Absolutely not. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
So you do understand you cannot come back here for a whole entire year. If you
Oh,
come back
fine.
here, you'll be subject to arrest.
Hey, guess what? I'm going to be arrested.
Let's go.
The next year, I'm going to be arrested because
Okay.
these people tell me that their Google and their shit is not right. So I'm going to be arrested for the next year that I come in here because their Google and their shit is not right.
The woman was about to lose her temper with the police, and they could see it coming.
I've been trying to get their Google and their right, but I'm not allowed to be here. Out. Again. I cannot ever be here again for the next year. Ta-da! Ta-da!
All right.
All
So
the way
now
off
you
the
have to leave
property.
the premises.
Ta-da! The next year, I cannot be here because these tell me that my Google and my ain't right. Yeah.
You got a
Google
vehicle?
people.
You got a vehicle?
I'm already done.
You
I'm
gotta
out of
leave
your
the property.
premises.
You gotta leave the property. Walmart's
Yeah,
property.
this is the properties.
It is, and if you don't leave, you're subject to
You know
arrest.
you beautiful.
All right, let's go.
Do you have a car?
Let's go.
Do you have a car?
You gotta leave the property.
Yes, I do, but she's beautiful.
You have to leave the property.
I'm sorry, but she's beautiful.
You got a minute. You gotta leave the property.
I'd like to you in a heartbeat.
Absolutely not. Let's go.
Oh, goddamn, yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead, turn around.
You are very pretty.
Turn around your back.
What? What? Why am I getting... What? Put your hands behind your back. Why?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why? Because I said you're pretty?
Absolutely not, because you're trespassing after I just gave you your trespass warning. Do you not understand?
You got her?
Can you let me go?
Nope.
I just said you're pretty.
We're not doing that.
Baby, I said you're pretty.
I'll hear you.
Can you let me go, please?
Got her?
I said you're pretty. Why? Okay.
It's okay. You should have, the cane for now.
Okay. I don't understand why.
Thank you.
Okay. But I said you're pretty.
That's fine. But you also had
What?
plenty of time to get off the property.
I
and
was.
you decided not to.
I
You want to
was.
stop and chit chat after I trespassed you.
Can you,
So let's go.
can you please?
No.
Okay. said you're pretty.
I appreciate that.
Well, you're
But
pretty.
I also trespassed you. So,
Why? I said you're pretty.
Pretty does not mean that you can stay on
No, I just said you're pretty.
yeah.
I love your face. You're
Thanks.
pretty.
I
So
appreciate
now
it.
you're. Why are you?
Because
Why
I
are you?
trespassed you,
Why?
and you remained on the property after several
No, I
times of
did
being
not.
told to leave.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
Baby, I said you're pretty.
All right.
Why did you do this?
You have any weapons on you?
Baby, I just said you're pretty.
I'm gonna get the evidence back.
You know, and you know what? I'm gonna get your whole fat cam. And then I said you were pretty. Yeah, I said you're pretty. So
You're gonna
Sit in
sit in the car.
I will.
Now.
Okay, so sit down.
I said you were pretty.
I understand that. I appreciate it, but sit down.
And
No.
you gonna pick her up?
Why would you do this?
Go ahead. Come on. I got you.
No.
let's go.
Oh, yeah, okay.
She picked her up like a child.
You know what? I am a witch.
Awesome.
This witch will get you.
She thought it was a good idea to get violent with the officer.
Yeah, let's go.
No, Officer Pretty.
Absolutely not. If you don't stop, you're gonna get charged. Battery on Aaliyah. Do you understand?
Honey,
Do
I
you
didn't
understand
do
me?
anything to get this.
So kick me again, you're gonna get
I
charged.
never got anything to do anything.
All right. Kick me again, you're gonna
Honey,
get
I
charged.
never did anything to get anything.
All right, we're putting on the ground.
Ivan! Get out. Ivan!
Yeah.
Absolutely not. And you had a lighter in your pocket? Are you gonna try to burn me or something?
No.
All right.
Why would I do that?
Let go of the lighter now.
What the is wrong with you?
What the is wrong with you,
What is wrong with you people?
Let go of the lighter. Ew.
No. Really?
Yeah, but you talking about, hey, you had a lighter in your pocket. Y'all didn't search her. That ain't her fault. Y'all didn't search her. Clearly. Y'all just cuffed her up and said, let's go. You know?
No, sorry. Don't you bite me.
I would
I
not.
promise you.
I would not.
doing well.
And I damn sure wouldn't do anything to do anything.
Rachel, you got it.
Yeah, you got it?
I got her hands.
You got it? You got it? You got it?
Nope.
You got it?
You just kicked me in the face.
Honey, no, they're doing wrong. They're doing wrong.
451 battery on Aaliyah.
No, they're doing wrong.
They're coming, 1018.
Do anything besides say hello to this young lady. Yeah, you got it.
You got her?
You got it? You got it? You think you got it good?
You look like you're trying to bite her. I would advise.
Why would I try to bite anybody?
Do not bite anybody.
Honey, I just tried to get up. What? I said she looked beautiful. I said that you look beautiful. I said she looked beautiful. This young lady, I said to her, I said this is Land's young lady. That officer, I said, get the in here.
Do not kick.
What the
You
Do not kick.
me. Do you understand?
You're gonna catch another.
What? Why would I catch another whatever?
Go.
What?
While sitting in the back seat, she nearly grabbed the officer's rifle.
How is that possible? What?
I told her she looked beautiful. That was the only thing. I said she looked beautiful. I said she looked beautiful. I told your officer that she looked beautiful. That was the only thing that I did. I told her that you looked beautiful. I told you, you look beautiful. I told you, you look beautiful. Is that so much of me? Is that so bad of me, Officer Hillsman? I asked you, and I told you, I thought you were beautiful.
Let go of my hand.
I thought you were beautiful.
Have you been drinking today?
Ouch. No.
Got her? Give him a call.
Get in the car.
Hillsman? Yeah. What you just done. You took everything that I just had. I just buried that goddamn cross. I just buried it and you just took it. She just took everything. She has now the fucking purse. No, she doesn't even know. You don't even know what you just took.
Cool.
You don't know.
Sounds great.
Baby girl. No, you think it is? It's not. It's not great. It's not great.
Thanks, man.
The woman was charged with battery upon a peace officer, resisting arrest with violence and trespassing.
Yo. Yo, this was pretty interesting. You know why? Because I'm thinking and I'm like, you know what? I have never really seen pretty much a all-female incident. Like, I mean, of course, yeah, you've seen the one officer arresting a female, you know, yeah, but her partner was a female. You know what I mean? Like, everything, this is a whole, like, female thing. Like, that was crazy, man. She put up a fight, man, but, you know, hey, officer she was, you know, chocolate joint was looking all right, you know what I mean? She was looking all right, so I see why the suspect was like, yo, you pretty, like.
EMS running the town. She love him like skin and brown. Got in the best that he moaning them sounds. She sweating like a track meet. Top of my game, not an athlete. And we cannot build on no trust. Don't even mention the love. Should be so toxic like OJ, but not trying to slip on a glove. Talking that talk, but your actions show different. Don't know the trust. Use the app. Lost all my trust.